Good morning, Michael. Welcome to the building. I am Sophia.
Good morning, Sophia. Thank you for meeting me here.
I have the details for the apartment ready. I hope you like it.
I saw the photos online. I think it looks very spacious.
Yes, it is a two-bedroom apartment. It has a large living room.
2 bedrooms are exactly what I need. I need space for guests.
This apartment is on the 3rd floor. We can take the elevator up.
The 3rd floor is perfect. I do not like being too high up.
Do you have any specific questions before we go inside?
Yes. Is the apartment facing the main street or the garden?
It faces the quiet back garden. It is very peaceful there.
That is excellent news. I prefer quiet surroundings for working.
We are looking at apartment 305. The door is right down the hall.
Apartment 305. I will make a note of the number.
This building has a shared laundry room downstairs. It is very convenient.
A laundry room is good. Does the apartment have a dishwasher?
No, there is no dishwasher inside the unit. I can check on one later.
That is okay. I can wash dishes by hand if needed.
The apartment also comes with one parking space in the garage.
That is wonderful. I have a small car that needs a safe spot.
Do you have your current identity document with you?
Yes, my driver's license is in my wallet.
Great. Let's go up now to see the actual apartment.
I am excited to see the inside. Let's go.
Please follow me to the elevator now.
This is the kitchen area. It is very bright and new.
The kitchen is beautiful. I like the white cabinets.
The refrigerator is large. It has a freezer section below.
That large refrigerator is necessary for my food.
The stove is electric. It is fast and very easy to clean.
I prefer electric over gas cooking. That is a bonus.
This counter space is granite. It is very durable and nice.
I like the granite. I can prepare many meals here easily.
Do you see the microwave? It is installed over the stove.
Yes, the built-in microwave saves valuable counter space.
The kitchen floor is tiled. It is simple to keep it clean.
Tile floor is practical. I will keep it very tidy.
The windows are new. They keep the street noise out completely.
The new windows make a big difference for quietness.
We installed a new smoke detector above the cooking area.
Safety is important. I am glad to see the fire detector.
Are the cabinets big enough for all your kitchen items?
Yes, there is ample space for all my plates and bowls.
The sink has a new faucet. The water pressure is strong.
I will check the water now. Yes, the pressure feels good.
Is there anything you would change about this kitchen design?
No, I think the kitchen is perfect for my needs.
That is great feedback. Let's go see the bathroom next.
I am looking forward to seeing the rest of the apartment.
The apartment is beautiful, Sophia. Let's talk about the price.
The monthly rent is $1,300.
$1,300. Is that price negotiable at all?
The owner set that price firmly. It is standard for this area.
I understand. Does the rent include any utilities?
The rent includes the water bill and the trash service fee.
Water and trash are included. That helps my budget greatly.
You will be responsible for the electricity bill and the internet service.
Electricity and internet are separate charges. I need to calculate that.
The average electricity bill here is about $50 per month.
$50 is a reasonable amount for the power.
The building has high-speed internet cables ready for connection.
High-speed internet is very important for my work from home.
We require a security deposit equal to 1 month's rent.
So $1,300 for the security deposit.
Yes, the security deposit is fully refundable when you leave.
Is there any maintenance fee for the building itself?
No, there are no extra monthly fees for common area maintenance.
That is very fair pricing overall. I am almost ready to agree.
We also require the first month's rent payment upfront.
I will prepare the full payment amount.
Do you have any questions about the rental payment method?
No, bank transfer is the easiest way for me.
Good. Let's discuss the rules for the tenants now.
Here are the important rules for all tenants in the building.
Okay. My biggest question is about pets. Do you allow dogs?
We allow small pets only. They must weigh under 20 pounds.
My dog is very small. He is only 15 pounds in weight.
That size is fine. We require a separate pet deposit fee.
How much is the additional pet deposit cost?
The pet deposit is a non-refundable $200.
$200 extra? That seems like a reasonable fee.
Also, tenants cannot make loud noise after 10 at night.
I am a quiet person. I respect the neighbor's rest.
No smoking is allowed anywhere inside the apartment or building.
I do not smoke at all. That rule is easy for me to follow.
You must inform us before painting the walls any color.
I plan to keep the walls the current color. I like the beige.
Are there rules about having visitors stay overnight?
Guests can stay for up to 1 week without special permission.
That rule is very generous for your friends and family.
All the rules seem fair and easy to follow.
Do you have any other questions regarding the property policies?
No, I think the rules are very clear to me now.
We have discussed the price and the rules. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Sophia. I want to rent this apartment. I love it.
Excellent news. When would you like your lease agreement to start?
I would like to start the lease on the first day of next month.
The 1st of next month is a good starting date.
I am ready to sign the papers and pay the deposit now.
Here is the official lease contract. Please read the final details carefully.
I am reading the monthly rent amount and the pet fee now.
Everything in the contract matches what we discussed earlier.
I see the terms are all correct. I will sign here.
Thank you, Michael. I will sign the contract copy as well.
Here is the envelope containing the full security deposit amount.
Thank you for the deposit. We will count the money later.
I will transfer the first month's rent payment online tomorrow.
That payment arrangement is acceptable to the property owner.
I am so relieved everything is settled now.
The apartment is officially yours starting next month. Congratulations.
Thank you, Sophia. This is a very exciting day for me.
We need to arrange the final walkthrough before you move in.
I will call you next week to schedule that final meeting.
I look forward to that call. We have one last thing to do. Michael, the apartment is yours. Here are your new keys.
Wow. Thank you, Sophia. I am holding the keys to my new place.
This large key opens the main entrance door to the building.
I understand. I will keep this important key very safe.
The smaller silver key opens the door to apartment 305.
Apartment 305. I cannot wait to move my furniture in.
We hope you will be very happy living here in this quiet building.
I am certain I will be happy here. It feels like home already.
The owner will send you a welcome package with local information.
That is very thoughtful of the owner. I appreciate that detail.
Please call me immediately if you have any issues before moving day.
I will call you for any urgent questions I might have.
I wish you the best of luck with your move-in preparations.
Thank you for guiding me through the whole process today.
It was my pleasure to work with you. You were a great client.
I will recommend your agency to all my friends.
That is very kind of you to say. We appreciate referrals.
I will see you next month for the final inspection.
Safe travels home now. Enjoy your new apartment.
Thank you, Sophia. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Michael. Congratulations again.